Hello and welcome to Cook Command Center Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust notifications for relative ticket related items. When you open Cook Command Center, what you'll see is your dashboards page on Customer View. These will have all your locations for your organization, and up above you'll see 4 interactive tabs that you can click into. For this specific tutorial, we're going to navigate down to the system icon on the left hand side. From there, you'll see a Manage Notifications tab. You'll click into it, and there you'll see all of your current active notifications or inactive notifications. To create a new notification, you'll go over to the right hand side where it says Add New. You'll create the description. For this, let's say we're going to create anytime a ticket's closed. And you can navigate to a specific type of hardware or piece of equipment, or include all types. So for this instance, we're going to do all types. Again, you can navigate to a specific location. So if you have a branch manager or somebody that oversees 1 or 2 or maybe 3 locations, you can create these notifications to only alert when a ticket is closed for one of their specific locations. So we'll click that location right there. Down below, say you want the manager. So we'll say branch manager at csg.com. So every time a ticket's closed, this is who I want it to be sent to. If you want, you can also include the ticket contact. So every time a ticket's closed, the ticket contact and the branch manager will know. In the subject, you'll type closed tickets. In the body, you'll say a ticket was closed, or whatever makes sense to your organization. Click Save, and you can see now I have another new notification set. You can go in here and actually edit or delete that specific notification, or you can turn it off up here. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.